Hi, I'm Maryanne. My food blog is The Little Epicurean, and today I will be making you coconut cake donuts. I chose to make a coconut cake donut because I wanted to combine my Filipino side and my American side, and to me, donuts are one of my favorite sweets ever, and for Filipino desserts, practically everything has coconut, so I decided to fuse it together and make coconut cake donuts. I love donuts. Some of my fondest memories as a kid, every Sunday my mom would bribe me to go to church with a donut. And even as I got older, we started using donuts to celebrate birthdays and all sorts of different occasions. So to me, donuts always symbolize something happy and fun. So growing up in a Filipino household, it is very loud. Everyone's always talking on top of each other. The dinner table is never quiet. Everyone's talking about whatever gossip they heard or whatever's happening to this cousin and that cousin. And one thing we always talk about is all the food that's on the table. With Filipino customs, you show your love by sharing food. For me, I show people I care by making them desserts and cakes and cupcakes and donuts. I think food is the perfect vehicle for bringing people together because we all have to eat. We may all speak different languages, practice different religions, but at the end of the day, we all have to eat. And it's the best way to introduce somebody to your culture or customs is through sharing of food. This recipe is a mashup of Filipino culture and American culture, and I think it's a good representation of America in general because America was built by immigrants, and this combination of all these different cultures coming together is what makes America so unique.